This is Wild Man Sal. This is November the 10th.
What are you doing? You wasn't about to crank up, was you?
Yeah, I am.
Was you about to fly?
Yeah.
I'd wait.
Why?
Of course, it may not be too long.
Yep.
Well, that was good, Sal.
Sal, get up to the fence, buddy.
Oh, shit.
Mm-mm.
A little bit of right.
Dead stick.
Level wing. Not too much elevator. A little bit left.
Oh shit.